Hello friends, welcome back, and if you're new to our channel, thank you for stopping by. Today I'm starting a plant video with this beautiful LiQWYD variegator of mine. Look at the leaves. Oh my god, they are such a beauty. And what more can I ask for? A leaf had fallen and look at the baby plant growing there. That too, which is a light pink one. What a delicate color. Oh my god. Yes, God's creation. Beautiful plant. And this particular plant can be a beginner's plant who are into gardening. This plant will never disappoint you. Look at the margins, all turning pink. A beautiful one, always my favorite. Look at this beautiful sedum, a tiny one, two plants together. Actually, I had dropped the broken leaves there, and this particular pot is also of the same type. That is, all the leaves were dropped there, and each and every plant here have been growing from one leaf. Individual plant from individual leaf. Now this is my pretty little succulent. Still no activity as such, but the best part is that it is alive and it looks healthy. I think in a month's time I will be able to see some activity. Now look at my ice plant, how wrinkled it has become. Actually, it's a succulent and over watering kills it. And I was watering it but very less, and that is the reason for the wrinkles. Now this is my LiQWYD panda's paw, a beautiful succulent again, a beautiful one. I just love them. Now I can share the plants because I can already see 2-3 new plants with my friends. Now this is the sky, blue sky today. This is my syngonium. Look at the pretty leaves. That's my LiQWYD. Now this is the ivy geranium, the red one, which was a big plant, and yesterday it fell as it was windy in the morning and the branches are broken. See, it's hanging there. Now I'm going to cut that off, a clean cut, and then I am going to transplant. I'm going to plant them, actually not transplant. I'm going to plant them in a different pot. And that's the bud. Thank God this branch is not broken. At one time it was healthy and now it looks battered. This is my Pakupaitam Hukeri. And the leaves had fallen, 2 leaves, and I've just kept them there. And in one of the leaf I can see some activity. Yes, I just saw 2-3 bumps there. That's the other leaf. In this particular one I can see some bumps. So it has already rooted and new leaves are forming. This is the joy of growing succulent. This is my frilly echeveria, as I do not know the name, so I call it frilly echeveria. It's a beautiful one. And this is how she's doing right now. And this I had bought from the flower show. Again the LiQWYD, and this is the Hawatia, which is doing extremely well. Thank you my dear friends for staying till the end. If you all have liked this short video, to give a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family members. If you are new to our channel, do consider subscribing and stay tuned for interesting videos. So till we meet again, it is bye bye for today.